In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number to your invoices in Zoho Invoice. This is a handy feature that ensures important contact details, such as a company's or client's phone number, are prominently displayed on your invoice PDFs. We'll be taking a step-by-step approach that focuses on using custom fields, which offers a flexible and consistent way to include this information. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate over to the Settings menu in Zoho Invoice. This is your control center for managing various preferences and settings in the platform. So once you're in Settings, look for the option labeled Preferences, and from there, go to Invoices. This is where we'll be able to customize the fields displayed on our invoices. In this section, you'll find an option for field customization. Click on it, and you'll be brought to a screen where you can manage and add custom fields to your invoice template. This is a crucial step because custom fields allow us to tailor the information on our invoices to meet specific needs. Now, the fun part. Click on the plus sign to create a new custom field. Here, you can label this field anything you'd like, but for the sake of clarity and ease, let's go with something straightforward like phone number. This label will help you easily identify this field whenever you're working within Zoho Invoice. Next, you'll need to select a data type. Given that we're dealing with phone numbers, the text data type is ideal because it provides the necessary flexibility for entering various phone number formats, including country codes and extensions if needed. After selecting the data type, make sure to enable the option to show in all PDF. This is critical since checking this box ensures that the phone number appears consistently on all invoice PDFs you generate, avoiding any potential oversight. Once you're done setting up this custom field, go ahead and save your changes. By hitting Save, you've officially incorporated a custom phone number field into your invoice template, making it a permanent addition to any new invoices you create. Now, when you go back to creating a new invoice, you'll notice that this custom field is readily available. Simply fill in the phone number corresponding to the invoice, whether it's your company's contact number or a client's, and it will seamlessly integrate into the PDF version of the invoice. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a phone number to your Zoho Invoice documents. This small, yet significant customization can greatly enhance the professionalism and functionality of your invoices by ensuring all necessary contacts are easily accessible right from the PDF. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this feature as useful as I do. Happy invoicing!